Oh, he's out of Central Pasture, so let's go.
All right, get you checked in.
Okay.
It's not the right answer. It makes my life easier when I pop it in. Plug your nose. Like, there's another set of questions, but they're more This group is ready to meet.
Okay. We got some stuff.
Okay, Lauren will kind of help get the remaining.
Okay. Branson, you have to wait just 1 second.
Yeah, you have to wait for a badge versus the next one.
Yeah, come through with Larry.
Lauren.
Lauren?
Yeah, she'll let everyone else know.
Yeah.
Oh, wow. That usually doesn't happen. Sorry about that.
Next Microsoft.
Oh, we know you.
Got him all.
Okay. Did they? Okay. I was going to walk the stairs.
Yeah.
Do you want to take a group on the elevator? Or
Larry?
we have to go 2 flights.
Okay.
I'll do the stairs.
Larry, do you want an elevator?
It's your MBA?
What?
MBA? From
Yes,
LSU?
I got my MBA from LSU. I'm Dave.
Connor LeBlanc. Nice to meet you. I'm doing my JD MBA right now.
Okay. Wow, nice combo.
Pretty great. Just think I got my my fill of law school. Figured there was more to the world than just the traditional law school route. So.
That's when I was getting my MBA, there was only a few schools that offered that option. Texas A&M was one of them, but I was already in Baton Rouge, and LSU didn't have that option. So it's cool that they have that.
Yeah, I'm only one of 2 students doing it. So
Oh, really?
there's very few. There's only only 2. So I'm trying to. I actually chartered the Louisiana Business Law Society last semester, and I'm in the process of kind of trying to grow awareness about the program, get more people to do it, kind of strengthen, the desire for it. It's very robust and, versatile. So.
Yeah, you have a lot of options.
Yep.
All right, well, come on over. We'll see you.